Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super easy recipe for pasta. More than anything, low calorie and high protein. This is a buffalo pasta, so obviously we're going to need some buffalo sauce. This is the brand that I use, and I use it because it's 0 calories. There's another one that I personally prefer the flavor a little bit more, but it is higher in calories. But this does the job. It's really good as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use yogurt. You want to use obviously unsweetened regular Greek yogurt, 0% fat is the one that I use. And you're gonna need some scallions. This is the pasta that I use. It's made from chickpeas, so making it higher in protein. It is 13 grams of protein per 2 ounces of pasta. Super good macros on there. And then I got this from Trader Joe's. I love it. It already comes chopped, but you can essentially chop it yourself. You're gonna need onions, carrots, and celery. And I'm just showing you the macros on these. For 2 tablespoons of sour cream, you get it has 60 calories. When on the other side, for yogurt, you have 3/4 cups, 170 grams, if I'm not mistaken, for 90 calories. But not only that, you get way more protein, so it's gonna help you feel fuller for longer when you have higher protein stuff. But more than anything, I've always said I always prefer volume, and so you're also going to have, like I said, more for less calories. I promise you won't taste the difference. My husband was very skeptical in the beginning. He would look at me weird every single time I did it. And you know what? The other day I made enchiladas and I gave it to him. I put it on there without him knowing. Did he notice the difference? No, he ate it, asked if it was good, and he said yes, like always. And then that's when I told him I had yogurt. Ever since, if I'm making breakfast for him in the morning, I'm putting yogurt on there. So, promise you. Yeah, I know it sounds funny. In the beginning, I was skeptical as well, but I promise you it does not taste like anything. Okay, let's get straight onto it. You want to go ahead and boil your noodles for 9 to 10 minutes. And obviously, you want to boil your chicken. And once there's only 2 minutes remaining for your pasta, you want to go ahead and add the veggies in there, just so they kind of cook a little bit. I don't like them fully cooked because I still like to have that crunch to my pasta. Well, more than anything, because this is buffalo flavor, it's always, when they serve it to you, you always have celery and carrots on the side. So that's kind of what I was going for. And yes, I know I'm using sour cream, but this is for my husband. Obviously, if it was for me, I would be weighing it. That day I had come from the park and I had to literally just do it super fast, so I didn't have time to record. And then when I was done eating, that's when I prepared my husband's food, because he does not track his calories, he doesn't gain weight, he doesn't care for calories, so I eyeball his food. But yeah, so you guys don't get confused. Yes, I use sour cream on his, but because I'm almost out of Greek yogurt and it has to last me the rest of the week, because I use it for my pancakes, I use it for my oatmeal, and your girl has to have it. It's essential. Especially for my oatmeal. So yeah, I rather keep my yogurt because I do care about my calories. So you just want to go ahead and add it onto your pasta and your sauce, obviously all the remaining ingredients, your chicken, and stir it up. Then towards the end, I do add some scallions. For the toppings, I obviously like to have ranch with it. I don't know who cannot have buffalo wings without ranch, so I do it. But instead of getting the one that says light or lower calories, I use the one that says fat-free. I found that a little bit too late. I kind of just recently discovered that, and I had lower calories than the regular light one. So like I said, I'm always finding options, ways to have lower calories for still, obviously they have to be good. And when I'm telling you they're good, they're good. Less calories, and that way I can fit more food into my day with little swaps like that. And then I just drizzle a little bit of more buffalo sauce onto the top of it, and that's literally it. Super simple. It's done in no time, literally 30 minutes, and you'll be done. Many recipes like this is what I have found to work for me. I don't like plain dry chicken breast. Like, it has to be creamy, it has to be good. Follow me on TikTok. That's where I post what I ate in a day basis. I have lost 115 pounds, and this is the way that I was able to do it, eating foods I still enjoy. If, like I said in the past too, I don't believe in meal plans. There was just days where I was not craving whatever was on the meal plan, and so if you force yourself to eat it, you're gonna say it as a diet, because that's not what you're craving. You're craving something else. So I literally, whatever I'm craving throughout the week, I write it down, and I'm like, this is what I'm having this week, but how can I make it healthier? If it's something, I don't know, traditional that I grew up eating with, I'm always gonna find a way to make it healthier while still satisfying that craving that I'm having. And that's the only way you're going to be able to do it long term. Like I said, I get mad sometimes when people ask me, oh, what's your diet? Well, to me, it's not really a diet anymore. It's actually a lifestyle. I actually enjoy eating like this. It comes naturally, but because I do eat the foods that I enjoy. Like I said, you wouldn't even taste this was healthy. Little swaps like the pasta we did, everything makes it higher in protein and keeps me fuller for longer, more than anything. Like I said, it's just good in general. You have to try it out. Follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, sometimes I do upload recipes that are simple, but just those stuff that I eat during the day, that I sometimes don't upload it here. So make sure to go check it out. I'll leave everything down below. Full macros, recipe will be in the description down below, as well as my social media. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye-bye.